Want to install ServiceDesk Plus in just 10 minutes? Let me help you with step-by-step easiest procedure. No confusion, no mistakes. Hi everyone, welcome to ME Tech Crafts, where we simplify IT tools and make your life easier.
First go to google.com and search for ServiceDesk Plus download. Click on the first link. This will open the official website of ManageEngine to download the latest version. In this video, we are talking about on-premise installation. So let's move down and click on Windows 64-bit installer. Always download from the official site to avoid security issues. Once downloaded, right-click on the installer and run as administrator. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and choose the edition which you want to install. In this video, I am going to install the Enterprise edition of the product. Choose the destination folder. Click Next and choose the web server port on which you want to access the product from the web browser. If you are installing for production, choose a drive with enough storage. You can choose between the default PostgreSQL database or MS SQL. PostgreSQL is best for beginners and MS SQL is recommended for large environments. In this video, I am going to choose for PostgreSQL. You can enter the registration details for your company to contact the support, or else you can skip. Click Next and it will start the installation. Wait for the setup to complete. Once done, ServiceDesk Plus will automatically start. The installation is done. Check this option and start ServiceDesk Plus server. Click Finish. And it will finish the setup now and the service will start automatically. It usually takes 2 to 3 minutes to load all the modules of the product. Once completed, you will be able to access the product from the web browser using this URL https localhost and the port 8080. Once you are able to see the login screen, you can use the default credentials for the local admin, which is administrator, and the password is administrator. Then you will be able to change the password for the local administrator. Okay, now the password has changed. Administrator and the new password. And that's it, you are in. Always change the default password immediately for security. Now you can go ahead and do the configuration of the basic settings and set up your organization details.
And that's it. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the YouTube channel for more such powerful IT tutorials.